At President Andrew Jackson's funeral, it wasn't the mourners who caused a stir, but his pet parrot, Pole, who was unceremoniously kicked out for unleashing a torrent of curses that would make a sailor blush. This feathery companion had picked up Jackson's own colorful language during their time together, becoming infamous for its unexpected outbursts. Can you imagine the shock among the somber attendees as the parrot's squawks echoed through the solemn halls, breaking the solemnity with profanity? Pole's presence at the funeral was meant to be a tribute to the late president, but instead, it turned into a showcase of the bird's notorious vocabulary. While many saw this as an amusing anecdote from a bygone era, it also highlighted Jackson's rough-and-tumble persona, even beyond the grave. It's a vivid reminder of how even in the 19th century, life and death could take unexpected turns, leaving behind stories that are both shocking and entertaining.